Welcome viewers, let us solve this simple question. If x raised to the power 3 is equal to x raised to the power 5, what is the value of x? So by solution to the question, we have x raised to the power 3 equal to x raised to the power 5. We are required to find what value of x should be. Kindly watch to the end and also subscribe to my channel to calculate this locally. Now, what I will do, I will move x raised to the power 5 to the left hand side so that I will get x raised to the power 3 minus x raised to the power 5 equal to 0. And if you look at this, it is the same thing as, if you look at it, you can agree with me that x raised to the power 3 is common. Okay? So I can factor it out, x raised to the power 3. So inside the bracket, I will have 1 minus x raised to the power 2. Why? Because x raised to the power 3 into 1 minus x raised to the power 2. When you open the bracket, you will get the original equation, which is x raised to the power 3 times 1 equal to x raised to the power 3. And the x raised to the power 3 times minus x raised to the power 2 will give us minus x raised to the power y. Okay? X raised to the power 5. The reason is because when the bases are the same, the exponents will multiply. We add rather. So therefore 3 plus 2 will give us 5. So factoring it out, this is what we have equal to 0. By law of this type of factors, okay, the first is equal to 0, the second bracket also is equal to 0. What this means is that x raised to the power 3 is equal to 0, and also 1 minus x raised to the power 2 is equal to 0. So that is what these two means. And from the first, if you have it that x cubed is equal to 0, it implies that x alone is equal to 0. That is the first value of x. Also, if I have it that 1 minus x raised to the power 2, it is equal to 0, then it means that minus x squared is equal to minus 1. That is moving 1 to the right hand side across the equality sign. It attracts negative. So minus cancels minus, leaving me with x squared equal to 1. Therefore, to get x alone, to be equal to plus or minus the square root of 1. And of course, that will give us plus or minus 1. In conclusion, the values of x are 1, 0. The next one is minus 1. And the next is positive 1. These are the values of x. Alright, let us put it and try to find out if it will be correct when these values are used. From the equation, x raised to the power 3 equal to x raised to the power 5. When x is equal to 0, we have it as 0 raised to the power 3 is equal to 0 raised to the power 5. And of course, that is equal to 0 anyway. Alright, and when x, okay, when x is equal to negative 1, that will now give us minus 1 raised to the power 3 is equal to minus 1 raised to the power 5. And to be honest with you, a negative number raised to the power odd number will give you a negative number. What that means is that minus 1 raised to the power 3 will give us minus 1. And minus 1 raised to the power 5 will give us minus 1. So minus 1 is equal to minus 1. So another way to see that the two sides are equal. And for the third value, when x is positive 1, that becomes for us 1 raised to the power 3 equal to 1 raised to the power 5. And automatically, 1 raised to the power 3 is 1, and 1 raised to the power 5 is 1. Okay? What it means is that 1 raised to the power any number will continue to give us 1. So in conclusion, the values of x are 0, minus 1, and the positive 1. Thank you for watching to the end. Do subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. God bless you.